हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो ऑफ स्कूल बॉय गेमर्स। तो आज की वीडियो होने वाली है कंपैरिजन वीडियो बिटवीन ट्रॉपिकल पैरेट M1887 और डिफ़ॉल्ट स्किन ट्रॉपिकल पैरेट की। मैं आपको बता दूं, ट्रॉपिकल पैरेट M1887 की डैमेज और एक्यूरेसी प्लस है बट रेंज माइनस में है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं एक छोटे से इंट्रो के बाद। पर उससे पहले अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर देना, वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर देना और कमेंट करके अपने रिएक्शन हमें ज़रूर बताना और शेयर भी करना ना भूलना। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
If we catch you super fast, will you get touched? There's a lot on my mind, there's a lot up in my mental, but I gotta go hard, gotta go and push the pedal. Pouring out my heart, every instrumental, and I gotta do good, gotta beat the devil. There's a lot on my mind, there's a lot up in my mental, but I gotta go hard, gotta go and push the pedal. Pouring out my heart, every instrumental, and I gotta do good, gotta beat the devil. I've been moving smarter and harder, saying young nigga, but I came up from the water. I'm that nigga that's gonna do me till I'm stronger. You been hating on me, you can break a monster. Stay 10 toes and I took away the nonsense. Cap got close, but he helped me with the process. I can never fall to me, there ain't other options. Niggas want me dead, so I gotta move cautious. They just want the old me, you could've told me. The kid who lost himself, but remember slowly who the hell he was, and that nigga showed me that he gon' be a star if he listens closely. So you can see the pain in my eyes for the days I'm alive. See the pain in that eye, you know I can't cry. And niggas want me dead, so I gotta move sly. If you ask why, nigga, this why. There's a lot on my mind, there's a lot up in my mental, but I gotta go hard, gotta go and push the pedal. Pouring out my heart, every instrumental, and I gotta do good, gotta beat the devil. There's a lot on my mind, there's a lot up in my mental, but I gotta go hard, gotta go and push the pedal. Pouring out my heart, every instrumental, and I gotta do good, gotta beat the devil. Life is a process, the way it is. I had to go struggle before I made it in. Mama worked 3 jobs just to make us win, so it's only best I win to go make her green. Cause I never did that before, I know I did wrong. She told me be strong, you won't be alone. I gotta make a smile from a life that's really wild. If you ask why, nigga, this why. There's a lot on my mind, there's a lot up in my mental, but I gotta go hard, gotta go and push the pedal. Pouring out my heart, every instrumental, and I gotta do good, gotta beat the devil. There's a lot on my mind, there's a lot up in my mental, but I gotta go hard, gotta go and push the pedal. Pouring out my heart, every instrumental, and I gotta do good, gotta beat the devil.
Fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up, man, them the shot toss. When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta. Cocaine on the table, liquor porn, don't give a damn. Don't your girlfriend is a groupie, she just tryna get in. Saying I'm with the band. Now she acting out of pocket, tryna grab up on my pants. On their bitches in my trailer, said they ain't got a man, and they all brought a friend. I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. Rock star, rock star, rock star, rock star, rock star, rock star. rock star. I've been above. I've been above.
I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star. Drinking Henny, bad bitches jumping in the pool, and I ain't got on no bra. Hit her front or back, pulling on the tracks, and now she screaming out no more. They like Savage, why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 6 cars?
Cocaine on the table, liquor pouring, don't give a damn. Don't your girlfriend is a groupie, she just tryna get in. Saying I'm with the band. Ay, ay. Now she acting out of pocket, tryna grab up on my pants. On their bitches in my trailer, said they ain't got a man. And they all brought a friend. Yeah, ay. I've been poppin', man, I feel just like a rock star. Man, I feel just like a rock star. Feel just like a rock star.